So there's another question that is coming in. It's saying, solve the equation. 2 cos theta is equal to -1. 2 cos theta is equal to -1. So we have been given the range. They're saying that our answer should be in the range of, should be greater than 180, but less than 360. Our theta, our answer should be greater or equal to 180, but less or equal to 360. So now that we are dealing with a negative, go back to the quadrants. In which quadrant is cos a negative? We have the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, all trigonometrical ratios are positive, meaning sine, cos, and tan are positive. In the second quadrant, cos, all right, sine is positive. In the third quadrant, tan is positive. In the fourth quadrant, cos is positive. So in which quadrants is cos negative? It is in the third quadrant and the second quadrant. But second quadrant, from 0, here we have 90 degrees, here we have 180. So from 0 to 180, all right? So up here, from 0 to 180, that means in this quadrant, it's less than 180. So even when cos is negative here, our answer won't be in this quadrant. But we now have the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, our cos is negative, and it is greater than 180, but less than 360. So our answer will lie in this. That is between 180 and 270. Between 180 and 270. That's where our answer should be. I'm just explaining. This will act as your guide. So we are going to say now, 2 cos theta is equal to -1. Divide both sides by 2. Now you have cos theta is equal to -1/2. Then we say theta is equal to, now since we have cos, we divide both sides by cos, so we are going to have cos inverse of -1/2. Then we say our theta is equal to cos inverse of -1/2. Calculator, Z maker, shift cos, open bracket, -1 over, -1/2. Mwaona yawufi. Why am I saying this is not the answer? Because we have said that our condition that we have been given, they have said that our theta is greater than 180. 120 is less than 180. So what do you do when you have such? Because this answer that we have gotten is in the second quadrant. Of course, cos is negative in the second quadrant. Yes, but because of this range, it's not our answer. This is not our answer. So what you do is you subtract from 360. Because you have said it's less than 360, so say 360 minus 120. Whatever you're going to get now, that's the quadrant in which it lies. So you're going to say 360 minus 120. You get your 240. Your 240. Your 240 is between 180 and 270. Have you seen it? So now this is your answer. So your theta is 240 degrees. Imagine you answer 120, you thinking that you got the correct answer. Can't you? Okay, that's how you find that.